Okay, the same diagram, I'll pull it. Let me paste the same diagram. Copy. In exam, no need to draw diagram, just to make students to understand I'm giving the diagram. In exam, directly you can manage. There's a line parallel. Let's come for this one. What all information now? Focal length. This is 2 centimeter and this is 3 centimeter. The diameter in objective and eyepiece is 15 centimeter. He has given length of the tube. How much it is? 15 centimeter. Okay, I agree this. The final image is at infinite. The two lenses are thin. The distance in centimeter of object and the image produced by the objective measured from the objective lens are respectively. What is asking is asking U0 and V0. These are the unknown things. So what is our formula? M infinity equal to V0 U0 by D by Fe. No? So we know D 25 centimeter. We know Fe, but we don't. And so what is the other thing? We know length of the tube. What is the length of the tube? Should be equal to V0 plus UE, and this should be equal to Fe. No? So we know length of the tube and we know focal length. So with this we'll get the V0. If you know V0, then what is the formula? So V0, what you know, substitute with sign here, or keep it like this. Then what you get U0 with sign, that U0 you substitute here. Able to understand the questions? Both is asking U0 and V0. So from the length of the tube, I'll get V0. That V0 substitute in this formula. Then you are going to get, okay, let it be better like this. Huh? Then you get U0 value. That U0 value substitute here, you'll get the, oh, wait, like he's asking,